other co-chair of the LGBT Equality Caucus, Congressman Jared Polis.
Thank you. I'd like to thank Representative Nadler for getting the ball rolling on overturning and removing a law that never should have been on our books and continues to be an embarrassment for our country, as tens of thousands of legally married couples don't know the status of their own marriages as they cross state borders, aren't recognized for federal purposes. The 13-year-old so-called Defense of Marriage Act singles out legally married same-sex couples for discriminatory treatment under federal law, denying them federal benefits and rights, denying them Social Security, denying them health benefits that are available to other married couples. You know, we have a very diverse country, and different states define marriage in different ways. It should be the federal role to ensure that those marriages and the prerogatives of states is respected by the federal government in recognizing these marriages. The Respect of Marriage Act would accomplish this by repealing DOMA in its entirety and adopting the place of celebration rule that was recommended in the Uniform Marriage and Divorce Act, which embraces the common law principles behind marriage. The Respect for Marriage Act wouldn't tell any state who can marry or how married couples must be treated for the purposes of state law, and it certainly wouldn't obligate churches or any religions to marry any particular people. It would merely restore a historical approach to civil marriage to make sure that states, under the principles of the full faith and credit clause, honor a couple's marriages for purposes of state and federal law. You know, whether this takes a year, 6 months, 3 years, what we're accomplishing here today with Representative Nadler's leadership is getting the ball rolling. This is how change starts. Currently, there's challenges to this law working their way through the legal system. They may work, they may not. There's a lot of cost, both time and effort, money associated with that. If we can fix this legislatively through this effort, we can save tens of thousands of legally married American couples and families from the trials and tribulations of years of uncertainty. And I call upon the rest of our colleagues to join the 90 members of the U.S. House of Representatives who are proud to support the Respect of Marriage Act. Thank you.